Hello YouTube, today we will be doing a review of this Lego bird. Now I just got this as a freebie because there is this mall called Alabang Town Center, and if you watch the Lego Ninjago movie there, you get a free Lego minifigure. I was expecting to get Lego Ninjago minifigures, but it turns out that they gave out random ones. And all the minifigures were in a box, and then you'll just grab one, and it's random as to what you will get. And I'm happy to get this bird. So the wings can move, it's on a ball joint, and this has a hinge. Of course, this is Lego, so it has very good quality, and you just display it like that. But what I like to do is I like to make it fly. Oops. You can make it fly like that. So yeah, that's nice. You get these clear circle pieces, which is cool, and you get a ball and socket joint, two of them, so that's nice. So this was the packaging. It's really simple, and here is the instructions. And that's the so we're supposed to start here. I'm sorry, we're supposed to start here, but yeah, that's it for this review. I really like this bird. Oops, I just put him beside the computer table. Yeah, it's fun to play around with, and it's nice to display. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.